What's up, travelers? We are in Cozumel with Victoria.
It's a little bright.
And she can't see.
So I'm just gonna close my eyes.
And hope for the best.
We're gonna go explore Cozumel. There's like a little town just nearby, as well as a mercado that we just wanna check out. So that should be fun.
So we are more into the real Cozumel. We left the tourists behind, and we have just kind of more local restaurants and shops to check out. I mean, granted, Cozumel is touristy to begin with, but
Yeah, but then right now, hopefully we'll find the mercado.
And then hopefully we can also find some horchata for Victoria.
Oh yeah.
Because it's her favorite. We made it to El Mercado.
And it looks like a lot of the shops are closed, but maybe we'll explore a little bit more.
Maybe there'll be a few open for us.
Yes. There's restaurants though.
And restaurants.
We just got to the area where there's more shops open. So it's very much like where the town comes and they purchase all of their meats, like and they all have like different shops, like sections, I guess, depending what you're looking, like chicken, beef, like pork. And also like a lot of places have a lot of fresh veggies, and that's what you find here. Also there's a lot of restaurants.
So let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
So El Mercado is super awesome, and it's so close to where all the tourist stuff is, but it's a nice little authentic taste of at least Cozumel, which granted is still touristy. But
And that also they don't come out and follow you until you say no, that you don't want to purchase something. Like it's just very calm, relaxing, you can just walk around.
I think we may have been one of like only 2 other like tourists that were in there. Otherwise it was all locals doing their shopping and eating, and it was super awesome. We found her horchata.
And then what do you get?
I got the lime one, limon. It tastes like lemonade but with lime, so better. So we're back to the main square.
And they're just setting up the little shops now. Like
And there's some beautiful crafts here. This one had some beautiful painting. This one has touristy stuff. This one's not open yet. And then there's a lot more here. So slowly but surely Cozumel is waking up. The tourists have been here for hours, but they get to it when they get to it.
There's no rush.
It's island
They'll get
time.
to. With hot sauce. I don't know what's chicharron, but it's good.
Something. Just like your chowder.
It's something fried, and it has a lot of sauce, and it's really good. It's Jason's turn to try chicharron. I mean, as you can see, the bag got a little smaller, and now he's gonna try it.
Last time she made me try something I hadn't had. It was a grasshopper, I think.
Yeah, from Oaxaca.
So
but this is not like that. So
this looks better than what that did.
He will like for sure.
It's pretty good.
They're not as soaked on hot sauce on the ones that I saved for him. He would have liked the other ones, but they were getting a little soft. So you wanna eat it as soon as like you put it, so that way you can get the flavor and it's still the texture of the chicharron.
It's real good. So now we're just still walking around on a more peaceful street.
And this is, I think, only like 1 or 2 blocks from the main road.
And it's just quiet and peaceful. We have a beautiful sunny day.
And there's more shade.
So I mean, if you're looking for things to do for free and or cheap,
but just walk around the town. It's actually really pretty, and there's so much. I mean, just to hang out, like,
it's nice.
Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it's good. Now we found a brewery that we're gonna stop by.
They apparently have all sorts of local beers from around Mexico, so let's see what it looks like. So now we are just heading back to the ship. We've gotten burnt enough for one day. Our ship's right there. We're gonna start walking back to port, but we hope you enjoyed following us along on our adventure here in Cozumel today. If you want to see more of our adventures in Mexico generally, whether it's on a cruise or not, it's at this playlist right above Victoria's head. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and do that right there and you won't miss any of our other adventures. We really hope you join us, and
we'll see you all in our next escape.
Bye everyone.